Here is another quick and easy sort of hair tutorial. This one is sort of beachy inspired waves. So what I'm using for this style, I'm actually using a wand, and the particular wand I have has little like divots in it. That way I can really get that sort of wave look. And what I do is I spray each section with that hairspray or heat protectant spray. And then I wrap that baby around it, and especially since this does have those little coils on it, it's really, really going to lock in a wave. And I do about like probably a little bigger section than I should. The smaller the section, the tighter the curl will be. So I'm doing like about mid just because I do want sort of that beach wave sort of style. And I'm just going to go through, do my right side of my head, and then I'll go through and do the left. Now that everything is curled, and those curls don't have to be perfect because we're just going to run our fingers through, break them up a little bit. I'm also spraying first a little texture spray. That way it's kind of like a sea salt related sort of spray almost. It's like a sea salt and a wax spray if you think of it that way, and you just kind of use it to give you some grit and texture and some volume. And I'll just go through and break up these curls. And since we did set them in there pretty well with like a setting spray, they're not going anywhere. Like the more broken up, the better for this sort of look, because it is a more laid back sort of beach vibe look, which is very popular. And your fingers will only get the top part, so I like to go in, especially on that underneath part, with like a wet brush, just the regular one, just to kind of break everything up and mold it a little bit nicer. And this is just a very easy, very quick, low maintenance style, and you could rock these waves for a while. You could do this on first day hair, but I would prefer second to third just because you'll get a little bit more of that gritty feel to it, and kind of, you know, the messier the better. So all I did for this was just kind of completed it because my bangs are in a weird grow out place. I just pop that baby in on that bang area, and that is my look. So if you like this video, let me know what else you want to see, and I will see you all on the next one. Bye, loves.